Til en fyr som har hatt et prosjekt i vinter om å ha litt mer klimavennlig skikjøring. Og det er det vi skal stemme om her i kveld, om skikjøringa di har blitt bedre.
Riktig.
Ok, ja, men da snurrer vi den filmen.
You kind of have the exposure everywhere.
Windy, icy, rocky, rock and roll.
Mika is really impressive. He got his emissions down to 5 tons a year.
I'm really amazed about the Norwegian shredders.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I've never seen anybody ride that fast here.
I'm kind of nervous. Oh shit! This rock is so fucked.
I almost died. Erik almost died.
Spring is awesome. Hello, Lingen. Well, this is gonna be pretty freaking nice.
I offered him meat, but he didn't take it.